you're watching me, why have you not started your own YouTube channel? If you have started your YouTube channel, why are you about to quit your YouTube channel? In today's video, I'm going to take my time to tell you the benefit of starting up a YouTube channel, how profitable it can actually be to you. A lot of people narrowed YouTube to just making money. But as time goes on, I begin to see that YouTube is way beyond making money. It has a lot more advantages, and it is just going to be a good idea for you to start up a YouTube channel if you haven't done that before the end of this 2024. Or if you have and you are in that verge of giving up, or you are at that point whereby you'll be like, I'm frustrated, I don't want to do again, and you want to quit. Probably this video might be a means of encouragement to you of why you should never quit your YouTube channel and why you should start a YouTube channel if you haven't. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I am back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it is the first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Okay. With that being said, let's just get right into my point. So the first and famous reasons why you should start up a YouTube channel is you are going to be financially free. That is the most important one. You are going to be financially free. There is no amount of job you're actually doing, or even if you're earning high in your job or whatsoever you're doing, YouTube can be another source of income for you. It can be another route that you can actually break out. Okay. A lot of people started YouTube koboless, and today there are millionaires, trillionaires out there. And I can also use myself as an example to you if you don't know of anybody. Okay. So you need to start up a YouTube channel because you need to be financially free. You will definitely be financially free. Okay. And if you're at that verge of quitting your YouTube channel, I will tell you not to quit, because if at the end of the day you quit, that same financial freedom you are looking for, you are not going to be getting it. And another sweet part of you being financially free is getting to be paid in dollars. I know that there are some other countries that their currency is higher than dollars. I'm talking about from this part of the country where I came from, African country, Nigeria to be precise. It is a whole lot of privilege for you to get source of income that is actually paying you in dollars, because the dollar rate, when we get, even if it's the small pence we are getting from YouTube, and then we exchange it and convert it to our own currency, it goes a long way. So if you have not think, or you've not thought towards starting up a YouTube channel, this is actually a good opportunity for you to pick up your phone, your smartphone, or anything you know that you're using to start up a YouTube channel. It will definitely break you out to be financially free. You are not going to be looking for that means of, I need urgent 2K, I need urgent 3K, who will I run to? Just know that at the end of the month, if you meet up your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, for those ones that are hearing this for the first time, you are going to be monetized, and then you are going to be making cool cash from YouTube. Trust me when I said YouTube money is luxurious. I have been here for 3 years, and I know what I've been able to achieve when it comes to my finance. My finance have been able to double during the period of me joining YouTube. So, and being financially free again is YouTube will also give you another access of getting an extra means of income. If your means of income is just one, you adding YouTube will like make it like double. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. And even if you have 2 streams of income, YouTube can actually help you, give you like 3 streams of income. That is why I said you are going to be like 100% financially free joining YouTube. So if you have not joined YouTube, or you've not thought of joining YouTube, or you've not thought of opening up a YouTube channel, check out the video I did on how you can actually open a YouTube channel and then start doing YouTube. The second reason why I feel you should join YouTube is YouTube helps you to master out with what you are really not good at doing before. If you are not good at editing, for example, YouTube will actually teach you the basics of you being good in editing. If you are not good in talking to audience, YouTube also teach you how to do that. Take for example, I am talking to myself using this phone that I'm filming, but definitely this video is going to get to a whole lot of people out there. A lot of people are going to see it. Yes, a lot of people might not agree with what you are doing. A lot of people might disagree. But the good part is that at the end of the day, you are going to be able to learn good skills of you mastering to talk to audience, or mastering the camera, or just good in doing one or two things. So aside you just thinking of, oh, it is just going to be coming from the aspect of me getting monetized and making money on YouTube, you are also going to have a lot of opportunities to learn things freely at your own will. Okay, YouTube is a platform that you learn every day. New things are being implemented every day. A lot of people learn new things, explore new things every day, and YouTube can actually give you that access. Okay, and I tell you for sure, if you can actually try in as much as possible to join YouTube, film videos, edit videos, post videos, monetize, and then start making good money out of YouTube, then there is no other social media platform that you cannot explore. So it will also give you basics to be able to explore other social media platforms that can also bring money down to your table. Trust me, with YouTube, you will definitely be glad that you joined this platform. The third thing why I think you should join YouTube this 2024, if you haven't already, is because YouTube is also a marketplace that can sell you out. Yes, if you have been those kind of people that are behind the camera or behind the scene or behind the class, YouTube is a platform that can put your face out there. Okay, a lot of persons knew me through YouTube, and when I go out there, one or two persons get to recognize me and they be like, oh, vibe with Sonia, vibe with Sonia. I feel like I'm fulfilled. I feel honored. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. I feel honored that someone can be able to recognize me through a particular platform. Okay, so if you don't know where or how to market yourself out there, YouTube is a platform that can actually help you do that. So all you need to do is to pick up your phone as you're looking at me, open a YouTube channel, and then thank me later. Another reason why I actually want you to join YouTube is YouTube's give you edge to freedom. What do I mean edge to freedom? Instead of you running 9 to 5, running up and down, going here and there, working from morning to night, and at the end of the day, you're going to be earning tips, you can do YouTube at your own will, at your freedom. If I don't want to upload in a whole week, nobody is going to query me. Nobody is going to ask me, why didn't you upload? Why haven't you upload? Is everything okay with you? For people that are going to be asking, they are going to be asking for good reasons, because they know that, oh, Sonia uploads every day. But YouTube is actually a job that can give you freedom. Freedom to do anything you want to do. Freedom to be to explore whatever you want to explore. Trust me, ever since I joined YouTube, it has been a whole lot of privileges for me. I remember when I was working then, and I have to like set my alarm, my clock to be like, oh, I have to be running here and there by 6 a.m., by 7 a.m., by 8 a.m. But starting up a YouTube channel and getting my YouTube channel journey monetized, I have this freedom of whenever I want to post my videos, I go ahead to post. Nobody is going to query me. Whenever I want to do anything on my YouTube channel, I go ahead and do, because this is like my platform. It gives me that edge of freedom. It gives you that feel to know that you are a boss lady on your own. No matter how small, no matter how big your channel is, even if you're just starting with 1 subscriber, just know that YouTube is your own company and you are the boss on your own. So if you have not started a YouTube channel, I wonder why you are delaying. Who on this earth actually don't want to be a boss? Even if you're a 9 to 5 worker, even if you love to work so much, this is another means for you to be a boss lady yourself. So I will advise you to start up a YouTube channel. And for those of us that want to create our YouTube channel, I feel like if you create your YouTube channel, you're going to be losing a whole lot of privileges. And let's talk about YouTube in this influencing part as well. A lot of people got influencing job from YouTube. I'm not saying they're not getting from other social media platforms, but a lot more people get influencing job from YouTube. And aside getting influencing job for YouTube, they get paid for influencing whatever they want to influence. They get free products, and aside getting free product, they also get paid from YouTube. Like, how on earth will you even sit down and be like, you just need to be watching people doing YouTube and you don't want to do YouTube? Why? Why? I keep pondering, I keep wondering about it. I know that you must have not had some of these reasons for you to be able to start up a YouTube channel. But trust me, if you want to be a millionaire out there, if you want to be a boss lady out there, if you want to be that person that people will also hear of their name and then smile, if you want to be that woman, that man that want to stand out there, you need to start up a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter if your journey is slow. It doesn't matter if it takes you 10 years to get your subscribers. It doesn't matter if it takes you 2 years to get monetized on YouTube. But the most important thing and the most assured thing on the YouTube street is all of these benefits that I've just mentioned, you are going to enjoy it. The only thing that will make you not enjoy is starting up your YouTube channel and then quitting your YouTube channel, or not even starting at all, or just being behind and watching people explore on YouTube, and all you just keep typing in the comment section is God when, I wanted to start but I don't know how to start, I want to do this but I don't know how to do it. Remember, procrastination kills. So instead of procrastinating, before the end of 2024, at least I want you to start your YouTube channel. I want you to start getting that your first 10 subscribers, 100 subscribers, and if possible, monetize before the end of this year. There are a lot of skills that you have there that even me that is sitting here, I don't have. Bring those skills up. Show people what you can do and people cannot do. And a lot of people are here to watch and see what you can do. Then another thing again, why you need to start up a YouTube channel is just so that YouTube is the highest search engine optimization, which is the SEO. Okay, a lot of people, whenever you search anything from Google, your Chrome, and the rest of that, they usually also recommend you to YouTube videos. So imagine you being recommended. Someone is searching something, or your husband is searching something, or your sisters, your friends are searching something, and then your video is being recommended to them. What a pride, honestly. My best friend called me and she'd be like, "Oh, I'm actually trying to search for so thing, and I saw your video popped up." And she told me, "I want to start up a YouTube channel." I was like, "Why do you want to start?" I thought initially when I started the YouTube channel, it was just like, Sonia, why are you doing YouTube?" Okay. And when she said that, honestly, my head burst. Okay. My head, I don't know if I'm using the correct English, but I was so happy. So imagine you as well, someone searching for something, and then your face is out there. Your face just went viral, going to different countries. You are still in your countries, but YouTube helps you to travel. And then aside you traveling, you're making money. Seriously, I don't know how more you want me to emphasize this, but I hope this point of mine is able to convince you to start up a YouTube channel before the end of this 2024. Or if you are at the verge of giving up your YouTube channel, I hope this point of mine helps you not to give up your YouTube channel. Because trust me, a lot and a lot and a lot of benefits that I didn't even talk in this video are what you are going to get and more. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. I hope this video is able to encourage someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. Let me know in the comment section if you will be starting YouTube right away. Let me know if my video is able to encourage you to start up a YouTube channel, or able to encourage you not to give up on your YouTube journey. If it does, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do add the policy in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.